Understanding Bike Bell, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, bike bell. Whether you are biking through the city or enjoying a leisure ride in the park, knowing what a bike bell is can be very helpful. So, let's dive in and learn more about this common phrase. Bike bell is a compound noun, which means it is made up of two words that work together to create a new meaning. The first word, bike, is short for bicycle, a two-wheeled vehicle that you pedal to move forward. The second word, bell, refers to a musical instrument that makes a ringing sound when struck. When we put these two words together, we get bike bell, which refers to a small bell on a bicycle that you can ring to make a sound. This is usually done to alert pedestrians or other cyclists that you are approaching, ensuring a safer environment for everyone. Using a bike bell is not just about following the rules, it's about ensuring safety on the roads and paths. When you ring a bike bell, it sends a clear audio signal to the people around you, helping to prevent accidents and collisions. In many places, having a bike bell is actually a legal requirement, and failing to use it properly can result in fines. So, it's not just a courtesy, it's a crucial part of safe cycling. Using a bike bell is simple, but it's important to do it correctly. Here are a few tips. 1. Ring the bell well in advance. Don't wait until the last second to ring your bell. Give people time to react. 2. Ring the bell clearly. Make sure the bell rings loudly and clearly, so it can be heard by everyone around. 3. Use a friendly tone. Remember, the purpose of the bell is to alert, not to startle or annoy. A friendly ring is more likely to get a positive response. 4. Be ready to use other signals. Sometimes, people may not hear the bell, or it may not be enough to get their attention. Be ready to use your voice or other signals if necessary. That's all for today's video on bike bell. We hope this has been a helpful guide in understanding what a bike bell is and how to use it effectively. Remember, using a bike bell is all about promoting safety and awareness on the roads and paths. So, make it a habit, and happy cycling! Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.